BodyTalk Access Seminar is a set of simple self-help techniques that you can learn to look after your and your family health. So if you're struggling with any chronic condition to looking for tools to look after your everyday health and wellness, these simple techniques can profoundly help you. Especially as parents, when children are coming down with colds, flus, aches, pains, imagine having this toolbox and looking after your kids, and that will prevent you from running to the doctors. If you've got elderly at home, these techniques could profoundly help them in their well-being. As well as you can learn these techniques to incorporate and support your overall health. So any chronic conditions, allergies to intolerances, viruses, bacteria could be addressed successfully with these techniques, as well as using these techniques for preventive health care. As we know, none of the health issues come overnight. So using these techniques to prevent any health crisis. So BodyTalk Access Seminar comprehends 5 techniques, which is about brain balancing, running a reset on your nervous system, de-stressing, getting you out of the fight and flight survival mode, hydration at the cellular level, which is the core problem for inflammation, as well as optimizing your immune system to be able to identify the pathogens and launch an immune attack. The 5th technique that you learn is about balancing the whole of the musculoskeletal alignment and postural issues. You also learn something called fast aid for emergency conditions. So aches, pains, cuts, bruises to major to minor emergencies could be effectively addressed with these simple techniques. So if you're looking for a simple self-help program where you can take your health empowerment in your own hands and address in a totally non-invasive way, BodyTalk Access Seminar is just perfect workshop for you, where you can learn and integrate it. The seminar comes with a manual, certificate, and post-seminar support sessions to help you integrate it in your everyday life. So check out my website for more information. Thank you.